50 daily use sentences using am for everyday conversations. 1. I am ready for the meeting. 2. I am feeling better today. 3. I am going for a walk. 4. I am learning a new language. 5. I am happy with my progress. 6. I am excited for the weekend. 7. I am looking forward to the vacation. 8. I am practicing my guitar skills. 9. I am reading an interesting book. 10. I am planning a surprise for my friend. 11. I am late for work. 12. I am staying at home tonight. 13. I am working on my project. 14. I am proud of my achievements. 15. I am cooking dinner for my family. 16. I am listening to my favorite podcast. 17. I am enjoying the cool breeze. 18. I am grateful for my friends. 19. I am thinking about my next steps. 20. I am responsible for the presentation. 21. I am curious about your thoughts. 22. I am confident about the results. 23. I am ready to help you out. 24. I am passionate about my hobbies. 25. I am saving money for a new car. 26. I am thankful for this opportunity. 27. I am interested in joining the team. 28. I am feeling a bit tired today. 29. I am hopeful for the future. 30. I am spending the day with my family. 31. I am proud of my progress in the gym. 32. I am focused on finishing this task. 33. I am thinking of baking a cake. 34. I am in the middle of a meeting. 35. I am visiting my grandparents this weekend. 36. I am preparing for a big presentation. 37. I am amazed by the view from here. 38. I am getting ready for the party. 39. I am enjoying the sunshine outside. 40. I am solving a puzzle right now. 41. I am helping my neighbor with groceries. 42. I am doing my best to stay positive. 43. I am delighted with the news. 44. I am following a new workout routine. 45. I am trying out a new recipe. 46. I am brushing up on my math skills. 47. I am waiting for my friends at the cafe. 48. I am optimistic about the outcome. 49. I am meeting my colleagues later. 50. I am eager to learn new things. These sentences provide varied, practical examples for daily use.